Right, hi there. Thanks very much for tuning into this week's Trades of the Week. The week starting the 5th of February 2018. This is Adrian here. What I want to do is just go through a few trades that we took over the last week or so. They came through some nice profits last week there. So all in all, a good up week for us last week at Trend Signal. Let's start off with a look at some of those trades. And really starting off here with the Australian dollar against the US dollar. This is the daily chart, which is the time frame we tend to go through in these Trades of the Week videos. Really good time frame for those of you with perhaps not huge amounts of time to trade, maybe quite new to trading maybe as well. Maybe you're looking for more sort of a passive sort of returns, or maybe just just want to feel your way into the markets before going into more day trading. And it's a good time frame for all of that. Now, what you're looking at here is the trend signal indicators, noticing those indicators rolling over from green to red, because really what we're interested in here at Trend Signal is identified turning points. We can try and sell the market as it keeps going higher and higher and higher, but all you often do is end up buying or selling into a very rising market, and you can lose a lot of money that way. So what we like to do is to spot high quality turning points in the market, like we see here as those indicators roll from green to red. Notice this line here, tracking price, this line at the bottom, tracking momentum. And then both of those line up together, and we get our sniper disc in there as well. Notice the red outline around it. We've got our opportunity to short sell from 80.37. Now in this example, we're looking for a 100-point objective. Now it's a big sell-off on Friday and a nice profit for us for a 100-point move on the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Not all trades go on and hit target that quickly, more's the pity, but it was a very good, very quick trading opportunity for us there for 100 points. Let's have a look at a few of the others that we've had over the last few days. Starting off with Euro New Zealand. This one actually hit target in the small hours today, so last night really. That buy there back from the 24th of February there, really going sideways for a number of days before rallying dramatically on Friday, and then also just peaking up a little bit over Sunday night's trading hours there. That was a 186-point winner there. Notice again those indicators rolling, changing color, this time from red to green to give us the buying opportunity so we can speculate on prices rising. Nice profit there for us, as I say, about 186 points or so. Euro Aussie also, so the euro against the Australian dollar, that was a buy for us too, back here on the 24th of January there from 153.90. After the market went up, down, back up again, it was a 134-point winner as well. So another good, clear rotation, turning point on the market there for us. Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. It's a nice clear short signal, so the Aussie seeing a little bit of weakness there over the last few days, again demonstrated by those indicators turning over to identify that turning point, and the sniper disc there clearly marking out the opportunity for us. 99.16 the short. That was an 87 point winner. I won't tell you why it was 87 in this case, but we'll talk a bit more about that in a second. And then finally, looking through to the S&P 500, we only took 10 points out of this one, or 100 points as we use it in spread betting and CFD terms. Market's gone on significantly further, but of course, not really expecting such a dramatic fall, but it was a nice winner for us there. So a few trades there over the last few days and some good profits for us. But if you'd like to know more about these strategies and try and get an idea about where we put our stop losses, why we position targets where we do, and how we manage those trades, what I'd like to do is invite you to one of our upcoming free live trading webinars. What we're going to do in these sessions is teach you one, maybe two strategies if we've got time, and you can get a real good handle on the turning points that we're identifying, the trends that we're identifying, and how we do it very simply, even from just 20 minutes to half an hour per day. So why don't you have a look somewhere on this page? There'll be a link or a form so you can register for an upcoming live event. Get yourself booked in, and we're going to teach you all that you need to know. All the best, guys. Have a great week, and hopefully we'll see you online. Bye-bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.